Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govin English Teacher. Today, a great personality is with us. Is Haris Prasapati. Is a regular speaker. Today, we're going to talk about how to be a motivational speaker. Yeah. Becoming a motivational speaker can be a rewarding and a challenging career path. And first of all, to be a motivational speaker, first of all, identity your niche. What you are passionate about, what unique experiences and knowledge do you have that can inspire and motivate others, and identify your area of expertise and find ways to develop it further and develop your speaking skills. Speaking is a craft, and like any craft, it requires practice and dedication. Join local Toastmasters clubs or take public speaking classes to develop your skills. Watch and learn from other speakers and practice your speeches in front of your family and friends. Build your brand, create a personal brand, and represent who you are and what you stand for. This includes developing websites, creating social media and accounts, and building from following tips. Network, attend events and conferences related to your niche. Meet other speakers, event planners, and potential clients. Create a database of contact and keep touch with them regularly. Offer your services. Once you have developed your skills, brand and network, start offering your services as a speaker. Create a list of topics you can speak on and market yourself to potential clients. So continuously improving is important. Continuous speak feedback and improve your speaking skills, attend workshops and conferences, and read books and blogs and take courses to keep up with the latest trends and techniques. So when you're talking something, first your involvement is important. So when you speak something with feeling, with heart and mind and soul, what will happen? You are feeling that vibrations and will create or it attract other listeners. So involvement in a topic with a powerful listeners. So involvement in a topic with a powerful feeling, and when automatically when you arouse your emotions now, and your emotions will catch the hook, the audience. That is important. Now, I am handing over to the topic our speaker, Prasad. Welcome back to my channel, sir. Speak on touch.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. First and foremost, we have to understand if you would become a motivational speaker, what are the benefits? As Govind sir spoke pretty well, there are multiple benefits which you can be given. Number one benefit, I would say that you will be given a huge amount of respect, and in this era, everybody love to get respect. So why don't you try for this? This is the first benefit. And number two, you will be well in the aspect of financially. People would pay for your workshop or your training. This is the second benefit. Number three, that is the number one, you will get a chance to interact with so many good speakers. So your speaking skill, your communication skill will be best. Number four, if you are trying to be motivational speaker, in this process you would get knowledge. You will get a chance to read so many books, so your knowledge will also enhance. Number five, your personality definitely will be like amazing and charming, and these are the benefits which you can get to become motivational speaker. Now, how you can become a motivational speaker? This is our topic. There are a lot of ways which you can implement in your life. Now, when it comes to motivational speaker, there are two specific way according to my point of view. Definitely, as usual, I will give 5 tips which I would be giving today, but two specific way. Number one, it's really easy. Do something in your life which many people are unable to do, or many people are unable to achieve in their life. This is how you can be motivational speaker. Let's say if you have achieved milestone in your life, you can guide people, you can make understand people, you can take workshop, you can do train them. So this is how you can be motivational speaker. At beginning, definitely you will get so many problems, but as time would go, each and every problem will be sorted out. Number two, start your YouTube channel, make content on that, the way we have been making, and make consistency. This is also kind of the motivational speaking job. in which you can establish yourself, but consistency does matter. We have made the video on consistency. If you want to understand what is consistency and how you can be consistent, you can watch our video. Number three, let's say you think you don't have any kind of skill, you haven't achieved anything in your life, even you don't have YouTube channel, nobody invite you to workshop, and you can't be a trainer also. Then what can be the option for you? Then there is also one option which I have discussed with so many trainer and motivational speaker, in which what you can do, you can read so many books. So what would happen if you would read so many books? You will have a treasure of knowledge. And if you would have a treasure of knowledge, that knowledge you can give it to people. Where you can give it to people? You can join any kind of NGO, or you can join any kind of speaking club. Through that, you can do your debut. It means you can do your start, and later on, as people would like, then you will become famous. Apart from this, if you would try to understand this field, then you have to understand, can you earn money from this field? Definitely, there are people, those who have been earning money, but the fact is, don't look at the earning matter, because if you try to look at earning matter, then definitely you will not be given money and you will be demotivated. So what you can do, try it as a hobby, as a passion, do help to other. Let's say if you would ask money at a beginning, because at beginning nobody is anything else, such as nowadays we are not taking money for anybody else, we are just giving our free services. And I hope so, let me clear that in my entire life I will be giving this service free. But let's say you want to make it as a career, and what you can do, you can give your free services up to 1 year, 6 months, or couple of years. It's up to you. But later on, shift yourself as a marketer or as a motivational speaker, as a professional, and you can visit college, you can visit school, talk to principal, take permission. If you are this much able, okay, for your speech, they could charge you, they will give you money. This is how you can
Yeah.
also be motivational speaker. This is really easy aspect in which you will be given a respect, as we have said at the beginning also, and this is a respectable field. But the fact is, what like we have to understand that I would suggest you, instead of doing these all things, you have to do something in your life which others are getting problem to it. Apart from this, I would like to add one another aspect which is really vital and significant. That is actually what happened. Do something in your life so that people may know you. But the fact is, what people try to make it as a career and they try to take money. Nobody would give you money at the beginning, and people should not give, because it's a respectable aspect and it is a free service. Now, what is the respect and what is the status of motivational speaker? We have been living in a 21st era in which motivational speakers have status of saint. You know, earlier saint used to motivate people, saint used to give knowledge to people. But if you are a motivational speaker, that means you are one of the saint of this era, who is giving knowledge, who is providing knowledge, who is telling people, who is teaching manner, who is so any. Now, how many fields are in this field? There are a lot of fields. Even motivational speaking is not only a field. Here you can be a life coach in which you can solve the problem of people. Various problems are there. Number two, you can establish yourself as a counselor. Apart from them, you can be a business coach also, in which you can tell people how they can start up their business. Number four, you can be a problem solver, in which you can guide people a problem which they are getting, how they can solve. If you are a religious person, then definitely doors are open for you. You can deliver Bhagavad Gita and so many kind of the religious aspect seminars and webinars. Apart from this, a workshop also. So these are the things. Now, you can say that you are not good public speaker, then I would suggest you first be good public speaker, then this field would be open for you. Without being good public speaker, how somebody can listen you and how somebody can give you entry in their prestigious university and institution or anything else. Now, can you get success in this field? Definitely. There are few speakers, those who have been giving their services, and I think this is really good market in India, because few motivational speakers are they are giving training to their client. So this market will be a really charming market in the future. So definitely you should try for this, and you have beautiful career. So why don't you try? This is how you can be a motivational speaker. Let me give one advice to you, and this would work. Let's say, as I would repeat that I spoke already also, but if you are running after money in this field, this place is not for you. You can open anything such as a new institution, and in which you can teach anything such as spoken English or anything. Now also you can earn money. But if you are delivering free seminar, webinar, don't expect any kind of money because people won't pay at the beginning. When you will create your market value, then definitely everybody would like to pay you as much as you want. Then minimum how much you can earn, people ask also. I think even if you are established speaker in your city, at least around 50,000 per month you can earn easily, easily. But first you have to establish, you must have a 3 4 year experience. But at beginning you definitely have to do a lot of struggle, which is not easy. Many people can't be a motivational speaker because they are not ready to do struggle in this field. Now, let's say you are motivating other, but you don't have ability of doing struggle. Then how somebody would expect you? Nothing, you know. So try to do struggle, visit school, do seminars, take webinars, do workshop. This is a simple funda. Through that, you can establish yourself as a motivational speaker. This is how anybody can motivational speaker. Whom so we want to motivational speaker. That's what I would say, and I would take a break for today. So thank you very much.
Yes, yes, sir. Today's speakers are tomorrow's leaders because your silence
Yeah,
will kill you. And if you are silent, no, nothing will happen. For example, your silence will kill you. That means you have to, because being a social animal, man, being a conversational animal, man should learn the art of the public speaking and also with the motivation. Because nowadays motivation speakers are very very demand. Because many people are just their motivation speakers are very very important. To make, to mobilize, to motivate, to inspire, to, because my quotation is, we have to aspire to inspire before we expire. That's my quotation. So I have to inspire, they have to aspire before we expire. That the motivation is more important than all other things. First, be a motivator. First of all, you must read many books. Also have to read the society, the world, the way of the behavior, the way of the world. Automatically you can excel in this the motivation skill. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your great
thanks a lot,
good
sir.
words.